Hi, kitty.
It's not soft, is it? It's kind of like this rug.
Uh-oh.
He got your... It's okay. What did he get?
That's okay. He can bite jean jacket.
Oh, yeah. You like Billy right now?
How, up to what age can they play safely like this?
2 months.
And that's it?
That's it.
Yeah.
He's like 12 weeks now. 12 weeks.
Yeah.
Go into the terrible 2 stage and they'll be like that until they're about 18 months.
And by then they're so big, I guess you don't want to see their terrible
by then,
2 stage.
An adult cat with people
Big
that would
jelly.
Huh.
Yeah.
Adult
You're
cat.
a big chubby one.
It's the whole story of teaching your puppy not to pee on the carpet. When it's a puppy, it's a puppy. There is no teaching, you know, and it's got to learn as time goes on. It's the same with the cubs. All they know about is chewing and grabbing.
Oh, hi. Yeah. Yo. Oh man, Austin is raspy. There you go. That's how he says, don't go. He says, don't go.
You should get a toy.
He says, you're chewing. He won't let go. He won't let go.
A brand new yummy shoe. What could be better?
Get him his mouth open. Ow. Oh, God.
Oh, you okay, Al?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they're all messed. Yeah, mine's just done worse.
Just ornery.
Hey, Ansel and Zilla and Grace, why don't you guys all get around and kind of see if we can do it? See right here.
Oh! And look at, I'm going to put my hands inside. Oh, whoa.
I guess that's how the parents grab them. Right?
Yeah, just pick him up by the nape of the neck.
Come on, can I get a...
Nice.
Look at that down. Be careful, it's a little bite. I know, but
Shiloh.
she doesn't have really sharp teeth on her chest. So yeah, but I think she has a stronger grip. Yeah.
Hi, babies. Hi, babies. How are you? How are you? Hey, sweetie pie. That's the cutest face.
Is that all the same time?
Oh, look, he knows Mark has something good in that bag. You sneaking up on me? Are you gonna stalk me? Are you gonna stalk me? And me a cat lover. Oh, there's a good kitty.
Oh, look at that.
Hi, baby. Oh, you're gonna get the camera. You're gonna get the camera. Oh, yeah. I hear your big sloppy mouth open when you get ready to bite me. Did you know that?
What's up, sweetie?
You got a thick jacket on, so he went and get your jacket.
Okay. Look at me, look at me.
Squat, Grace.
Smile. Ansel, get closer to Willa. Smile.
Oh, perfect.
You too, Tiger.
Excellent. Okay, bye-bye, everybody. We're sorry to get you so excited.
I saw you on this one's Mufasa.
You're not angry, you're just misunderstood.
They're not just angry, they're misunderstood. Bye-bye.